What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I have a package. Recently I've been having quite a bit of trouble with my GoPro Hero 8. So I got an Insta 360 and some other stuff with it from the glorious Amazon. So once you figure out how to open the box, alright, let's see here. So looks like a pretty decent box. All in all, sorry, I'm comparing sizes. It's about the same size as my Hero 8. It's definitely thicker, maybe a little heavier, but this has, whenever I put it on my helmet, I have to run the media mod, and then the microphone goes off of it, and it sticks to that. So I'll put this over here. It's a new Clown Creos helmet that I got, the Pro. But let's see what else is in the box first. Alright, so we went from a media mod, a spare door, just in case it started raining. I already put the one without a hole on this, because I won't be using this one no more on it. But I kept a regular door with me too. The case, and the charger, along with obviously the GoPro, and then the microphone wire, which that's what I did with it, so, you know, judge me, I guess. But this case even has a removable lens cover, so that's pretty cool. I'm just putting it on there for now. But the media mod is that small. The spare door is way smaller, so, and the charger, the batteries are a little bigger, so the charger's, you know, a little bigger, but I like that they're not falling out, so. But I got a yellow and a green. I think I'm good to try to power it on. Alright. First video with the Insta 360 Ace Pro. Just going to work. Wearing my newer gloves. I'm not sure if I like them yet. They're the MSR wind blockers or whatever. It's a little cold this morning. Not cold, but it's like 60 degrees if I had to guess. Let's see. 61. I don't know what I did. I changed some settings around there. The fucking GoPro battery is already like half charged. Yoink. Yeah, I think you can set this one up too, where anytime you stop recording, it pauses it instead of stopping the recording. So then you have one file instead of every time you start and stop, you know what I mean? It's like you can literally subcategorize as like, you know, roads, or day 1, day 2, do one whole video. That way, like, if you got 10 creek crossings in one day, I'm not looking at 10 different files that are just a bunch of fucking numbers trying to figure out what one's what. pretty dope though. The sky looks really cool. You can do the hand gestures thing where if you like wave at it, it automatically starts recording. And I don't have none of that shit set up, but I think I still have the stabilization set on low, which I think that's going to be good. If you go too much with it, it kind of looks fake, unless you're like doing some fucked up shit. Bro, look at the sky. I wish it looked like this in real life. It's not the same. Yeah, the camera. Like, I swear it looks better. Shit is not that blue. Oh, hold on, I got glasses. Ah, yep. The old glasses trick with the yeah, I guess it is pretty blue. Well, I think I want whatever ND filter these glasses are. Yeah, bro. It's making my phone look really good. Nice. That sounds a lot better without the baffle. I wish mine was just a little bit louder. I'm pretty sure I got that on video at least. That's all they're gonna see is just you hitting yourself in the head too. You hear it though? Oh, it's that little clip. That. Huh. Okay. I noticed whenever I was turning right, it got kind of tight. I moved the tank back forwards, which I guess was a mistake. Because it usually sits right here. But it don't touch my fupa anymore, so. I mean, you gotta let that thing breathe. Trying to make no fupa cheese. Your fupa cut out? This is it Dave? It's not Dave Zimmerman, is it? Ed Zimmerman, the Dick Doc on TikTok. And I'm here to talk to you about your pickle. Yeah, that guy. Oh no, a cop. Alright, well. Y'all let me know what you think of the camera. I think I like it. I hadn't seen none of this on the computer yet, but so far messing with the app and stuff like that, I think it was a great choice. So, yeah, I mean, I still got a lot of tweaking to do with the settings and stuff like that, but I definitely think it was a good purchase. But yeah, looking forward to getting another point of view. Hopefully I can figure that out. I tried it with the Hero 4s I had way back when, and I just, at the time I wasn't any good at editing. I mean, I'm not good now, but I figured out more on the software I'm using slowly, so I don't know, we'll see. But if y'all like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.